go to the ESCON official website at escon.net. Click Try Now. Fill in all the fields marked with a red asterisk. You must agree with the privacy policy before submitting the form. Click the link to read it. If you'd like to receive marketing materials and product updates from us, select this option. Enter the characters from the capture image. Click Send Trial Request. Within an hour, you'll receive an email containing a link to download the KOMPAS-3D installation package, along with other useful information. We highly recommend that you read this information carefully. Click the download link. An installation package in ICO format will be downloaded. Extract the files from the ICO file. Please note that KOMPAS-3D can only be installed by a user with administrator rights. Run the setup.exe file from the installation package. The KOMPAS-3D installation will start. In the Setup window, select the installation type, Complete or Custom. If you select Custom, you can choose which components to install. If you select Complete, all software components will be installed. When the installation process is complete, launch KOMPAS-3D. To use Kompas, you need access to a license. If no license is available, the header of the document tab is red. In the lower right corner, you can see a message indicating that no license is available, along with a command for obtaining one. In this mode, commands for editing 3D objects are unavailable, and M3D-PAT and A3D assembly files are opened in demo mode. In demo mode, you can view documents, take measurements, change the display mode and model orientation, and save or print documents. To try KOMPAS-3D, you can use a trial license. From the Help menu, launch the Security Key utility. Click Trial Licenses. In the list of available trial licenses, select the one you want to activate. Enter your email address and click Activate. Close the utility window. Restart KOMPAS-3D. In trial mode, the system is fully functional and all software components are available. The trial period lasts 30 calendar days from the first launch of KOMPAS-3D. The trial license can be activated only once on each computer. Please note that the trial license doesn't work in a virtual machine. To activate a permanent or long-term temporary KOMPAS-3D license, you need a serial number provided by your KOMPAS-3D supplier. From the Help menu, launch the Security Key utility and click Activation. Enter your serial number in the corresponding fields. Click Next. Enter the email address that was used to obtain the serial number. Click Activate. Close the utility window. Restart KOMPAS-3D. If you need to update your license, click License Update. In the list of licenses, select the license you want to update. After the license has been activated, you can start working with KOMPAS-3D. To get started quickly and make the most of the software, open the Help menu and explore the learning materials. You can also visit the ESCON Academy, where you'll find a wide range of courses covering different KOMPAS-3D features and workflows. If you need to use an application that is not available in the list of the available toolbar sets, for example APM-FEM, open the Add-ons menu and launch the configurator. Find APM-FEM and click Attach. Close the configurator. APM-FEM has appeared in the list. If the required application is not listed in the configurator, Open the Structure menu and select Register Add-ons. Browse to the Applications folder and select the file with the RTW extension. The application is connected now, and you can start working with it.